Believe me, my friends, you can make 15-minute restaurant-style hot sweet and sour shrimp mushroom soup, Thai style. So once again, welcome to my channel Jire's Quick Recipe. I am using Galanga. It is closely related to ginger and turmeric. All these roots add flavor to your dishes. Galanga flavor is sharper, spicier and slightly more peppery. You can find it in Amazon grocery or in any Asian store. Next, celery leaf I am going to use. Slice of galangal, slice of chilies, some red bell pepper slice, and the Thai grass, my garden fresh Thai grass, and the lemon balm. In a pan, high heat, adding 4 cups of water. It's time to add all the flavors together. In this soup, I am directly adding chicken stock cube. It's called chicken flavored bouillon. Because it's weekday, I am in a hurry, so I am directly using the chicken stock. I am not preparing fresh chicken stock solution. And the salts depends on your chicken stock solution. If it is more salty, then I will put less salt, or maybe I will not put any salt. The main ingredients is shrimp and mushroom. 1 cup raw shrimp and half cup canned boiled mushroom. 3 egg yolks I am mixing with the shrimp and the mushroom together. You can use chicken egg yolk or duck egg yolk. And this mixture I am directly adding to the water. And let them boil. I am just waiting for boiling the shrimp, all the flavors to infuse. It's time to add the seasoning. First, I will add Thai sweet chili sauce. I always like sweet, sour and spicy flavor. So I am adding more sweet chili sauce. You can add, depends on your taste. In this stage, a little stirring is necessary. Next, paprika powder or chili powder you can use. Mix them very well. You can use lemon juice or vinegar, white vinegar. I like to add lemon juice for a little sour taste. Next, soya sauce. Any soya sauce you can use. I am adding very little salt, but I told you already that it depends on the saltness of your chicken stock. Next, the black pepper, just a pinch. For you all, recipe link is given in my description box and measurement is written there in my blog. Please check. Tomato ketchup, just half teaspoon. I have got my cornstarch mixture. Pour that in. For thickness, I am adding this cornstarch and my soup is turning beautifully thick and glossy. Few more minutes to go. I have got a few tips and tricks to make it even better at home than restaurant. Let's have a look what we have got. Wow! This has been smelling amazing. The smell of Galanga celery leaf, amazing, so good. Total cooking time 15 minutes. Now it's time to serve up. Before that, I am making a special dressing using green chili and vinegar. I am a chili freak, so I like to add chili in my hot soup. So my lovely friends, my Thai style hot sweet and sour shrimp mushroom soup is ready to serve. Hope you all will like this. Can't wait to eat, my friend. Enjoy this hot soup, especially in cold weather. It will help you to fight the flu. If you guys have any question or comment, write them below. If you enjoyed learning cooking from me, why not hit the subscribe button and press bell button to get notification every time I post a new recipe. Thanks for watching.